How to fix Lemon8 app not working. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Lemon8 app not working issue. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to make sure that your Lemon8 application is up to date. If not, head towards Play Store or App Store and you need to find out Lemon8 app. You need to remember that in some of the reason Lemon8 app is not available. If you have installed the app, you will simply get update if there is any updates. Tap update and update it to the latest version. Once you do that, you need to make sure that you clear all the cache of Lemon8 application. Clearing cache will help you fix different kinds of bugs and glitches on Lemon8 app. For that, you need to head towards settings and then scroll down, select apps and tap app management. From this section, you need to find out Lemon8 app and then open app info of Lemon8. Tap storage uses and then clear all the cache. Lastly, make sure to restart your device because sometimes on your device itself there might be different kinds of issues. You need to simply hold on the power button on your device. And then you need to swipe towards restart and restart your device. Once done, you will successfully fix Lemon8 app works and not working on your device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.